everybody. This is Shurmita Ghoshal from Team Indulge Kolkata, and tonight we have with us a guest, a very special guest with us in our first episode of Indulge Short Takes, and she is none other than Shurmili Chatterjee, entrepreneur and beauty expert who owns the studio Dreamea. We would today ask her about her latest outlet in Lonavala near Pune, and here we have Shurmili with us. Shurmili, hello, how are you doing?
Hi. Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. So, Sharmili, just let us know how your journey as an entrepreneur began, and how was it from being a beauty expert to becoming an entrepreneur? If you could share your experience with us.
Hi, this is Sharmili Chatterjee. I am an artist, entrepreneur, co-founder of Dreamia. Dreamia provides bridal and spa services. And I have recently launched my wedding couture by designing my own wedding sari. And I have opened my own studio in Pune. Today I am here from my Pune studio.
Okay, well, so it looks brilliant, you know, the background is very glitzy and glamorous. If you could tell us about your studio a little bit.
It took a lot of time. It took almost 7 months to put the things together. And I remember I took almost 1.5 years to find all the materials. Although it's a bit late, but I'm really satisfied with the outcome of my studio.
So how has the journey been? You know, if you could share with us your journey.
I'm from a business family. So from my childhood, I knew that if I want to grow, if I want to get success, for that I need a team. And I just made this. Today, my team, they're running their own business by their own leadership without any input of mine. So I'm really enjoying this.
So Sharmili, what was the idea behind creating Dreamea? If you could share that with us.
Well, in Dreamea, I believe in the spirit of entrepreneurship. It's all about dream. The dream of my team, the dream of our client, the dream of our business, the dream of mine, and our motto is to give a shape to all the dream into reality. That is why the name Dreamia.
Fantastic. And how is your studio in Pune doing? How are you happy with the business there?
It's not exactly in Pune. It's near Lonavala, close to the film city Mumbai. So I think it can be a new opportunity for all of us. And my team, they're doing well in Kolkata. So here in Pune, it can be a new opportunity for all my team members. And I love to give opportunity to the new beginners, to the young entrepreneurs, so they can join our team. And moreover, I love to expand my business. So this is my expansion.
Of course. So, what are the facilities that you offer in your Lonavala studio?
We are mostly into bridal services. So bridal makeup, spa, and my newly launched bridal wear. And here in Pune, we are having both indoor and outdoor facilities in our studio. So people can rent our studio for their own shoots.
So, how different is your bridal makeover from what others offer?
Traditional yet modern. Being a Bengali girl, I love the Bengali tradition. So to me, the makeup should be in a modern way with a touch of tradition.
Excellent. So, what's your future plans with your brand?
Luxury. Our motto is to give a shape to all our clients' dream into reality and make them understand that luxury is not a big deal. They can afford that, and which is once in a lifetime. For that, they shouldn't compromise. So just a message to all the bride-to-be: book with us for your special days makeup and make your dream look as it was my dream wedding look.
So if you could tell us, what's your advice to the brides regarding wedding makeup for this winter season? If you could share some tips for the viewers here.
Whatever for bridal purpose, whatever you want to wear, that color should be red. Go for the trendy pastel shades makeup. Makeup always enhance your inner beauty. So don't make it a mess. Just make it classy and simple. And book with us for your special days makeup. Keep wearing my sarees and hashtag Sharmili Chatterjee Pride to make your special day more special.
Thank you so much, Sharmili, for your time and your advice. It was wonderful chatting with you and knowing about your dream studio called Dreamea. I wish you and Dreamea success ahead in 2021. And we would like to end our short takes here. Please expect a very nice and surprising guest in our next episodes. Till then, bye bye.